Hello, travelers. Today I will take you to Japan, the magnificent meeting point of the traditional and modern worlds. If you are ready, let's embark on this fascinating journey. Sensoji Temple. Sensoji is a Buddhist temple located in the Taito ward of Tokyo and is considered one of Japan's oldest and most famous temples. Sensoji Temple is one of Tokyo's most popular tourist attractions, visited by millions of tourists every year. Nakamise-dori is a famous shopping street located along the path between the temple and the Kaminarimon Gate. This street is lined with traditional Japanese shops and stalls, making it an excellent destination for tourists to purchase Japanese souvenirs, handicrafts, clothing, and traditional snacks. If you happen to stroll down this street, I recommend trying the equally renowned matcha tea, at least as famous as sake and sushi. The Arashiyama Bamboo Forest is a captivating natural area covered with tall and dense bamboo trees. There are well-maintained walking paths within the forest, allowing you to take a stroll amidst the bamboo trees. If you wish to escape the city's noise and savor the beauty of nature, this destination is perfect for you. Fushimi Inari Taisha and Hiking Trail refers to the main visitor route of the shrine, which is surrounded by thousands of vermilion torii gates. This trail begins at the main entrance of the shrine and ascends towards the summit of Mount Inari. What makes this hiking trail distinctive is its continuous line of vermilion torii gates. These gates symbolize the donations made by patrons to the shrine, with the names of individuals or organizations who contributed inscribed on each gate. Kinkakuji Golden Pavilion is one of Japan's most famous temples, featuring a structure adorned with gold leaf and rising beside a lake. If you plan to visit this destination when you come to Japan, I particularly recommend visiting in the fall when the scenery is truly exceptional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more.